Spring is coming. It's been a bit slow, but it's here. And when spring comes, you need to change out your jackets. You need something to throw on over top of your clothes that's not the same as you wore all winter. So today I'm showing you 5 spring coats that you need to have in your spring wardrobe. Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Kim. I'm a celebrity fashion stylist. And for those of you who do, welcome back. I'm so excited to see you guys. Before I head into the video, remember, if you guys watching this video like it, remember to give a thumbs up and also remember to hit subscribe, and then I will show up in your mailbox every Thursday and we will hang out. Moving on, the first jacket that you need in the spring transition, and this is one of my faves, a faux suede jacket. How cute. And I say faux suede because really there's no need to have a real suede. It feels so similar and it's trendy, right? This one is a pale pink. Pastels are huge this season. As you guys know, I keep talking about it as you see it everywhere. This one I found in the Moto style and I just thought, like, it is so bang on. I can't believe it. It's so cute. So a pink faux suede Moto jacket. I am loving it. This one I found, I believe, at Dynamite. I'll put a link to that below. It was under $60. I put it on, I was like, I'm never taking this off. This is wicked. Great thing to have in your wardrobe. I just feel instantly more springy. Like pastel Moto jacket. It totally transitions out in my black one. Way cuter. Jacket number 2 that you need to have this spring, a trench coat. If you don't have a trench coat, you're not even in the game. I love this one. I found it at Man Woman Home. It's actually made by Herschel. And for me, I like it because it's not a traditional trench. Like, it doesn't have the big collar and the big belt. It's just very clean. And that's just a little more my style. I adore this jacket. I love the color. I can throw it on. I believe it may be a bit waterproof. I mean, I'm just making that up. I don't even know. I didn't ask the question, but it kind of feels like it is. Anyway, trench coat, need to have one. How cute does this one look? I love it. Number 2. Third spring coat that you need to have, a classic army jacket. I love this one. This one I've had for years. It is from Anine Bing, and she still has tons online right now. She's changing the style always. Anyway, it doesn't matter, you don't have to get yours from there. There's absolutely a million out there. I will link a whole bunch down below and you can kind of sift through them, anywhere from like $20 to $400. Whatever your budget is, whatever your vibe is. I've just had this one for a really long time. I love the simplicity, I love the cut, I love the collar. I'm looking at myself in the window behind. Just in case you guys ever want to know what I'm looking at when I like shift off screen. When I film, there's a window behind me and sometimes I'm looking at the outfit. Anyway, army jacket. It's a great thing to have. Again, like I said, I like the collar on this one. It's just a little bit different. The cuffs I usually roll up. And the reason an army jacket's so great for spring is because it's usually made of like a heavier cotton, but it's just a very easy thing to throw on with jeans. It goes with a lot of outfits, white jeans, blue jeans, a dress. I've thrown it on with like a short floral dress and some booties. Cute. And you wanna know what else I love about it? It's got these huge pockets. So I'll put like my cell phone, my car keys, I'll show you. Like, they're massive. So anyway, I put everything in there and then I don't even carry a purse. So this is my fave, the army jacket, jacket 3. Jacket number 4, I feel like a broken record. This is one of the things I always talk about, a jean jacket. Again, in the spring, I lighten it up a little bit. This one I love, it's from Aritzia. It's crop, it's light, and I absolutely love it. Throw it on with your jeans. Wear a Canadian tuxedo. That's jean on jean. I actually had a question if you could do jean on jean. You absolutely can. It's a fantastic look, especially for spring. Jean jacket, you need to have it. This one's very clean. It's not ripped, it's tailored, it's cropped. So as far as jean jackets go, it's just a little bit more dressy. So I really like it. I wear it with dresses too. Anyway, jean jacket, get one. Spring, lighter color. Jacket number 5 comes as no surprise. If you watch any of my videos or look at my Instagram at all, I am always in a Moto jacket. But in all honesty, it's not just me. A Moto jacket is a serious must-have. I don't know how you live without one. This one's vegan. I got it at Zara. There's a million out there. I like this one because of the place that it hits on me. I actually bought it a little bit bigger because I wanted to be able to put sweaters and stuff underneath. I have about 4 or 5 Moto Jackets, and they vary in texture, in how thick they are, in their length. For me, it's just a total staple. For you, it must be too. So that's number 5. One extra jacket that you could think of if you live in a rainier place is a rain jacket. There's tons of really cute ones out there. And actually a lot of clear ones I think are pretty cool. Just thought I'd throw that in there for you. But anyway, that's all I got. Those are the top jackets that you can think about adding in your wardrobe for spring. They're fun, they're easy to throw on, and they lighten everything up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you like it, and leave a comment down below if you have favorite jackets that I didn't mention. Another one, windbreaker. I showed a windbreaker on a previous video, a camo one. You guys loved it. That's something else, but leave your comments below for everyone else so that they can see what you love. Anyway, I will see you guys next week.